you take me home? Give me with your vibe. We can run away. Castle in the sky. Won't you take me home?
Welcome back, guys. What's up? Today I'm here with Geniuswigs once more. Same packaging as usual. So as I open the box, I see the wig. I got a headscarf, rat tail, comb, and well, edge brush and comb. I got elastic band, one of these clips, you know, can be used to section your hair, and I got a wig cap, and that's everything in the box. What we're working with today is a 360 crystal lace yaki 20-inch wig, lace front wig, and this is how it looks. It's 360, guys, and the lace looks so good. It is already pre-bleached and pre-plucked, so you definitely don't need to go in and do those stuff. You really don't want to overdo it and then it looks a mess. Okay, it's perfect just as how it comes in the box. So you don't have to stress yourself about doing that. It has a total of 4 combs on the inside, extra elastic for more security, and it goes all the way around to the back where they did a nice light pre-pluck look in the back, so that's really nice. And it's a medium cap size. It looks so good, and today I'm gonna do a ponytail. I'm so excited. So yeah, it's very full and nice, by the way, minimal shedding. So let's go ahead and jump into putting this on. Okay, so for the install, I'm definitely going to be going in with my glue and just getting everything nice and laid as possible. As I told you guys, this is crystal lace, and you know, whenever I get these type of laces, it's up to me to kind of refresh your memory on, like, you know, the other laces, like how good this lace looks, you know. So I basically have the transparent lace and the crystal lace here, so I'm gonna put them on the back of my hand before we move on. I'm gonna dry it down. I have the crystal lace over here, transparent lace over here. I'm gonna dry it down and then show you. I must tell you, transparent lace is A1. Okay, a lot of hairstylists and stuff use transparent lace, and as you can see, it blends in pretty nicely. But you see the crystal lace, it's almost like it's not there at all. Transparent lace, you can go in, you can, you know, bleach it, tint it, all that good stuff. You can still do that to the crystal lace, but it's way more delicate. So it's important that when you're using the crystal lace, you be more gentle with it. But the thing with it is that it's like even more breathable, it's way thinner, hence more delicate. It's way easier to camouflage. The transparent lace though, I give both of them a 10, but it's all about preference at the end of the day. You know, I love the two of them, but I'll just go with my crystal lace as long as I have that option. So that's how, you know, a nice side-by-side view for the two. So yeah, now that we got that out the way and I refreshed you guys' memory, let's go ahead and get started. So make sure first, for today's 360 installation, I'm actually going to glue the front first, and then I'm going to go on the back and try to neat and fine up and, you know, lay it down really nicely. Yeah, I'm gonna kind of like speed through this portion. You guys have seen me like install a million wigs.
Won't you take me home and give me wings to fly? We can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run away and leave this world
finished off applying the glue and stuff, and it is looking so good. I'm just gonna take my elastic band and get my blow dryer. Before I do my edges or anything, I'm just gonna move on to the back. I'm just cutting away. It looks so good. You see that? Super undetectable, like super undetectable, and it's nicely pre-plucked. It looks very realistic. So the hair in the back, as I said, I'm gonna move on to applying glue in the back, but to just get things a little bit more precise, I'm gonna get some help from my mother.
Won't you take me home and give me wings to fly? We can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run away and leave this world behind. Please just take me home to a castle in the sky. Castle in the sky. Castle in the sky. Won't you take me home?
Mother helped me with the back just to really get it more precise. I'm super happy about that. I'm going to go ahead and do, like, you know, my little swoops, but in the meantime, before I do that, I want to just kind of further melt the back portion. So I'm gonna tie the elastic band around there while I do my swoops. While, you know, this continues to melt in the back. So I feel like to, like, get it super precise, of course I don't wear 360 wigs as much, but like if you practice enough, you can get it over time. Most of the time I'm always up to do like a messy updo with the 360 wigs, but today I want it to be a little bit more precise. So if you want to do that, then you could get a little help. Looking, I'm so happy I could be a little bit more detailed with today's install, this 360 install. You could definitely go ahead, and I haven't decided how I'm going to wear this yet, but I feel like I want to go ahead and do at least with that kind of install, this kind of install, you can you know, bring the hair like tighter in a ponytail. You could even do a nice low bun, classy, real classy. So you could do a high bun, you could do a low bun, you know, slick it back, or you could do a center part with it. But you see, I'm showing you these to give you guys options, because this is not the actual style I'm gonna be wearing it in. I'm still thinking. This is late at night, guys, and I'm actually going to be wearing this out tomorrow, so you're gonna literally see tomorrow evening in like the next clip. But I'm just giving you guys options and ideas how you could style it. I'm still thinking about how I want to style it, but yeah, for right now, this is it. It feels so laid, it feels so secure, as a 10. But next time you see me, I'm gonna be glammed, and I'm going to be doing the style that I decide on. So I just have it up in this like messy bow bun right now, and I'm gonna do it in a ponytail again. So I'm gonna redo it in a ponytail and kind of like curl the ends. That's what I decided to do. I'm gonna part out some in the front here. I can't say when last I do a hairstyle like this, and then I put the rest up in a ponytail. Yeah, I think that's good enough.
Won't you take me home? Give me wings to fly.
Alright, so before I move on to anything else, I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of, you know, get my curling iron and curl up my ponytail. So I'm gonna use some holding spray since this is a straight texture so that the curls can still last.
Castle in the sky. Won't you take me home and give me wings to fly? We can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run away and leave this world behind. Please just take me home to a castle in the sky. Castle in the sky.
I'm just going to unravel these loose curls. That is the finished look for today's 360 crystal lace wig install. It was amazing. It turned out amazing. It's A1. I'm loving it. Shout out to Geniuswigs. They've been really good with their quality for a very long time. I've never really had any issues with their quality, so definitely would recommend. Go ahead and check them out. And I feel like the texture, again, I'm loving this texture, you know, this kinky straight. As you know, I just applied some of my holding spray so that the curls will last longer, and I feel like even when they start to fall, they look really good. So that is amazing. I'm going to be sure to drop all the specifications of the wig in the description box as usual, so go ahead and check that out, as well as the direct link where you can purchase this wig if you're interested. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next wig video. Don't forget to go ahead and check me out on my vlog channel as well, PETITE-SUE TV. So until then, just want to wake up in this.